What is going on, guys? Well, welcome back. Today we're checking out VEVOR's deep fryer. My camera did cut out in the first edit, so I already unboxed everything. But now, I think you guys, we're gonna go ahead and build it together. So let's get started. Bolts here that you gotta put in to tighten that down. Set it. They're set screws. Don't know what that's for. Looks like it goes here, but I don't know why you would need that. I'm not going to use this. Getting hotter. So we're gonna be doing a double bake. You kind of fry it one time, you let it cool down, kind of get cool again, and then we're gonna throw it back in there for the second. I literally put those in for 30 seconds and they just were black. Holy moly, I couldn't even get it out. Let's see how they taste. I mean, they look good, but oh yeah. Wow. Tastes like Five Guys fries. Have you ever had Five Guys or homemade fries? This is great. And voila. Homemade fries that taste like a restaurant. Guys, I'm not lying to you, it tastes like a restaurant fry. I actually have never fried fries before, or deep fried fries. I've only baked them in, like, you know, the oven or an air fryer, but that is a game changer, cooking your fries like that. I mean, you don't have to buy this to do that, but man, does it make it really easy and simple. I do wish this had an electric start. It doesn't. I might install one myself. But yeah, guys, this thing is pretty sweet for how cheap it is. Go check them out. Man, those fries are, oh. And the crazy thing is, I felt like I messed them up too. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. That was VEVOR's deep fryer. This thing was amazing to cook with. It was simple to set up, and it's super cheap. Go check them out on Amazon. Go check them out on their website, and I'll see you guys in the next one. The real question is, how do we put the genie back in the bottle?